In this video tutorial you will see how to quickly and easily check the parking sensors on a BMW 5 Series E60, 2004 to 2011, in just 4 easy steps. 1. Insert the key and turn on the ignition. 2. Apply the handbrake. 3. Move the shifter to R, reverse. Make sure you have the parking sensors activated. You should have the green light on. 4. Check each sensor by touching gently the center of the sensor with your fingertip. If you feel small pulsations in your finger, then the sensor is good. If you don't feel anything, the sensor is defective and you will need to replace it. You can find parking sensors for BMW below in the video description. If you have any suggestions about new videos, you can write us below in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.